I'm here to show you how to create a YouTube channel, and we're starting right now. What's going on? My name is Junior Safa with Go for Growth Media. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to grow your business, build your influence and increase your revenue rate, do so now by subscribing so you don't miss out on anything. YouTube is the highest search engine in the world, owned by Google, which happens to be the highest search engine in the world. There are a number of videos creators around the world making millions of dollars by creating content or video. That is achieved by creating a content on a niche you have a passion about. Hopefully it is your time to create a channel now after going through this video and make money. In creating a YouTube channel, you have key factors to be considered in its creation. Basically, you have to think about the objective behind the creation of that channel. Brainstorm those objectives and convert them into contents that you'll be doing either on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, or 2 times a week, as the case may be. So therefore, with that backdrop, let's go to the topic proper. To create a channel, consider the following steps. Step 1. To create a YouTube channel, you must have got a Gmail account. With a Google account, you can watch, like, comments on YouTube videos or YouTube contents. However, without a YouTube channel, you have no public presence on YouTube. Even if you have a Google account, you need to create a YouTube channel to upload videos, make comments, or make a playlist. You can use a computer, your mobile phones, through the YouTube mobile websites or apps. How you do that is, 1, you go to youtube.com and sign in if you have an existing account. You can link that account to sign in and have access to YouTube. But in a situation where you don't have an existing account, you need to create one. And once you click in to the Google account or www.youtube.com, what will happen, you will be asked to sign in. And therefore, in that process, there are 2 options that will pop up in the screen of your computer or your phone. It is either you sign in with an existing account followed by a password if you have one, or you have an option to create one if you don't have. And if you click on to create an account, 2 sets of account creations appear on your screen. It is either you create an account that is labeled myself or manage my accounts. Myself is a personal account, and to manage my account is an account that is created for brands. Like you have products you want to sell on YouTube, you have specific business organization, that you have various partners. You can use that account to sell your products through YouTube. That is manage your account. Myself, which is recommended for this video account, is linked to your personal account. Only you can access those logging in with that channel name. You have a sole control over the channel. You control a personal password to manage the account. To manage my business is creating a YouTube channel for brands. Like I said, it enables you with a custom channel name where you can serve as the channel manager. Haven't gone through the 2 types of channel creation that will appear. Let's go now into creating a personal YouTube channel account. And one thing you do for creating a personal channel which is more advisable, like I said, in this context, you follow the following steps. 1. Sign into YouTube on a computer or a mobile phone with the YouTube website. You click create account options. If you don't have, we assume you don't have an account at this moment, you fill in all the fields that will comes into the screen of either your computer or your phone. And filling it may includes like your name, your first name, surname, your date of birth, most probably your phone numbers and all that. You need to have those one filled in the field that will appear in your screen. Haven't done that, you click on next. In a situation where you don't have a Google account, 3 Gmail account options appears using your name as a code or as a basis and that of your date of birth. The next option you have is to choose one among those emails that will appear on your screen to be used as your Gmail account. If you haven't got one Gmail account, that is what. Remember to choose the account that you will not forget easily. Then create a securitized password which you will be managing right through the lifespan of that account. Then you will be asked on the confirmation code. Having set in your password, you've got your Gmail account, fill in the names. You will be asked to have a verification code, confirmation, and the question will be asked as to whether the YouTube has sent you the verification code through messaging or through direct calls. You'll be asked that. Choose by text options to your mobile phone. Once you choose by text option, you'll be asked to supply. There's a field where you will fill in your number, your phone number, followed by your country of origin. Having sent in your number, you will automatically receive a message with a confirmation code, normally in 4 digits numbers. You enter those codes in the space provided, and there you go with your YouTube account. After that, you try any option that requires a channel creation by uploading any specific video that you have at that particular point to that channel, so as to ensure that you have created a channel and that channel bears your name and that the process you've done is correct. But remember, there were 2 options given. If for any reasons you've grown to an extent that you've got a brand, you will create the manage my accounts also, so that in subsequent period you'll be using the 2 channels in one system. But when you want to use your personal account, you switch on. The provision is there on your computer or your phone, so you'll be switching from one account to another just to have your business and all that stuff done. But if you want to create a My Business account, this is the process you should go by. Follow the instructions to create a channel that can have multiple managers or owners, which is account created for brand. Like I said, you can use brand account to create a channel that has a different name but that's still managed from your Google account. How to create it? 1, like you did for the personal account, you sign into your YouTube account on your computer or your mobile phone using the YouTube apps or sites. Then go to your channel list to create a new channel or use an existing brand account if you have one. But in an event where you don't have one, create a new channel by clicking create a new channel or create an account. Create a YouTube channel for a brand account that you already manage by choosing the brand account from the list. If this brand account already has a channel, you can't create a new channel. You will just be switched over to that channel if you select the brand account from the list. Like I said, you have provision for switching various accounts operated by you alone. So you fill out the details to name your new channel and verify your accounts. Then click done. This creates a new brand account for you, and therefore you have a brand account and a personal account. So you will be operating the two. If you have a business, you'll be doing like affiliate marketing and all that, you use your brand account. For your content creation, you can use your personal account, so that once you reach the threshold, you'll be making huge sum of money from it. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe after watching to the end. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.